little friends. Let's meet some amazing animals today. Are you ready, kids? Let's go! Look who's running to say hello. It's a friendly, furry friend. This is a dog. It loves to play and wag its tail. Dogs are our best friends. They also protect our houses and keep us safe. Let's hear how the dog sounds. Wow, that was loud. Dogs really love to bark. Let's meet our next animal. Shh! Do you hear that soft meow? Someone's sneaking in. This is a cat. It likes to sleep and say meow. Cats are soft and cuddly. Let's hear how the cat sounds. Aw, so soft and gentle. Cats are such cuties. Let's see who's next. Moo, moo. I think someone brought us some milk today. This is a cow. It gives us milk every day. Cows love to eat green grass. Let's hear how the cow sounds. Moo! That was a big one. Who's coming next? Clip clop, clip clop. I hear someone galloping this way. This is a horse. It runs very fast. Horses help people carry loads. Let's hear how the horse sounds. Neigh! What a strong voice. Let's trot to the next animal. Wow, a big friend is here, the elephant. This is an elephant. It has a long trunk and big, flappy ears. Elephants are kind and love to splash water everywhere. Let's hear how the elephant sounds. Pawoo! That trunk sound was amazing. Let's meet another friend. Whoa! Look at those stripes. This is a tiger. It has orange fur with black stripes. The tiger is brave, strong, and moves quietly in the jungle. Let's hear how the tiger sounds. Whoa! That was powerful! Tiger sounds so brave. Let's keep going. Shh! Listen, friends. That mighty roar means only one thing. The king is here. This is a lion. The king of the jungle. It has a big, golden mane that shines in the sun. The lion rules with strength and courage. Let's hear how the lion sounds. Roar! The king has spoken. Time to see who's next in our animal world. Splish, splash! Someone's rolling in the mud again. Here comes a pig. This is a pig. It loves to roll in the mud and have fun. Pigs are cute, pink, and full of joy. Let's hear how the pig sounds. Oink, oink! That was adorable. Let's squeal with joy for our next animal. Look at those stripes. Is it black on white or white on black? This is a zebra. It has black and white stripes. It runs fast across the grasslands. Zebras are like horses dressed in black and white. Let's hear how the zebra sounds. Stripe-tastic! That zebra looks amazing. Time to meet another one. Who's hopping this high with a baby in her pouch? Here's a kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. It hops high and carries its baby in a pouch. Kangaroos are strong and super bouncy. They hop on their strong legs and love to jump around. Let's hear how the kangaroo sounds. Boing, boing! That was a big hop. Let's bounce to the next animal. Look who's walking slowly through the hot desert. This is a camel. It has a big hump on its back and long legs. Camels can walk for days without drinking water. They are strong and carry heavy loads across the desert. Let's hear how the camel sounds. Gru gru! What a cool desert friend. Let's see who's coming next. Who's that soft and fluffy one in the meadow? This is a sheep. It has soft, fluffy wool that keeps it warm. Sheep give us wool to make warm clothes, and they love to stay together in groups. Let's hear how the sheep sounds. Ba ba. So fluffy and cute. Let's see who's next in line. Ha ha ha! Who's that swinging from the trees and making funny faces? This is a monkey. It jumps, climbs from tree to tree, and loves bananas. Monkeys are funny and full of energy. Let's hear how the monkey sounds. Hee hee! Hoo hoo! That was funny. Let's swing to our next animal. Wow! Look up, up, up! Who's got such a long neck? This is a giraffe. Wow, kids! Look how tall this giraffe is. It has a long neck to reach the tallest trees. Giraffes are gentle and love green leaves. Let's hear how the giraffe sounds. Wow, that was so tall and cool. Let's go see who's next on our journey. Hop, hop, hop! Who's jumping this fast? Here comes a cute little rabbit. This is a rabbit. It loves carrots and jumps around so fast. Rabbits are soft and super adorable. Let's hear how the rabbit sounds. That was fun. Let's hop to the next animal. Shh, stay quiet, kids. A gentle friend is peeking from the forest. This is a deer. It has beautiful horns and soft brown eyes. Deer are gentle and love quiet forests. How calm and kind. Deer are so gentle. Let's meet the next one. Someone's climbing the hill already. Here comes a climbing champ, the goat. This is a goat. It loves to hop on rocks and eat leaves. Goats are friendly and give us milk too. Let's hear how the goat sounds. Ma, ma. Goats are always climbing and calling. Let's go find another animal. Here comes a helpful friend with strong legs and a kind heart. Here's a hardworking friend, the donkey. This is a donkey. It helps carry loads and walks long roads. Donkeys are loyal and hardworking. Let's hear how the donkey sounds. Hee-haw! What a funny sound. Let's see which friend comes next. Look over there! Something big and cuddly is walking by. This is a bear. It's big, strong, and loves to explore the forest. Bears love catching fish in the river. Let's hear how the bear sounds. Grrr! That was a big sound. But don't worry, this bear's a gentle one. Great job, kids! You met so many animals. Pets, farm, wild, desert. Which one was your favorite? They're all special and make our world so amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beehive Kids for more fun learning adventures. Bye-bye, little friends. See you soon!